Oh, Kyla, if you're ready, show us what you've got.
Talagang ganyan at walang patulan. Wala lang magawa kaya sila'y nagkakaganyan. No sis, no si balasi. Sino ba sila? 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 Sino? Sino ba sila? Sino ba sila?
Ayan, that was Kyla, guys. Alright. Kahit ako, hindi ko alam kung sino. Tanungin natin yung viewers. Sino ba sila? Sino ba kayo dyan? Who are you guys? So ayan, that was Miss Kyla, guys. From Sugar Roll Agency. Ayan. So ayan, hindi pa tapos yung oras mo.